This is the latest I have in dancehall and social media news so far. Things get heated and Mackerel gets scienced. After she says she will not apologize to Guyana. The obeah well strong. Will RT step in?
Look here. Look Mackerel.
This is why you should be careful who you diss. Mackerel, you better have a strong spiritual team. Cause this na safe. I'm thinking RT boss might just step in the war, even though Mackerel is a bruck pocket. What you think, Navy train? Speaking of RT boss, he ends up dissing a Guyanese woman for Mackerel.
You don't know to speak about. Oh man, the mama and the scene and the standing of your mother. Let him move. Come to Jamaica. Go suck your Welcome to Jamaica, you cockroach looking, shark looking, chaka chaka. Your mother. You don't need no visa in your mama. Go suck. You don't need no visa with people in your mother. Welcome to Jamaica, you stink. Woman, your mother. Ring out your mother, your parakeet. You don't even know English. Move your blood. You can't speak
slow about it, you need our guys.
Listen, all the way down the road. I don't know else. Because when Ifrica obeah come over concern what happened to the story. You know, come over now the pictures. Are you going to cut to Mackerel? What?
Yeah, we found it so nice.
Oh, it's not live. Alright. Yes, when say Mackerel say something, I simply say.
Mackerel have RT boss a run up on a whole country. I hope he's doing the spiritual work too, because this whole situation is getting serious. So Queen Ifrica never wasted any time. She dissed Mackerel for Guyana. She also brought Shenseea in the conversation and dissed her, accusing her of being a part of the agenda, promoting homosexual living.
Again, dirty shenseea, you can't be face of Jamaican woman out of Jamaica. Go suck on yourself and go away. And go do it for Korea or which part your bloodline there. Nobody will born down here now go come just come feel like you know come create no culture because you no born down here. And really and truly, if we don't get anybody else face of Jamaica, Adidas, I should have spice your blood. Because she are the truest representative of a Jamaican woman. I just true she a idiot. Make she end up where she end up. A years me I try for sure. Say guide yourself properly that you can come sit down on your rightful place. Shenseea more popular than Spice. So how come Shenseea Adidas a draft of a be face her. And then two man there, then two footballer there. In the picture with it bunch of flowers. With one bunch of no subliminal message now send out the culture down. You go so go with the subliminal batiment too. You know give you see me. I come send on a through with national colors. The two you them look vexed in a picture. Like them I say, what did nobody not see this? The things I remember when I take Bolt and put him in a frock. Because he come from Jilany, though. Move that and go. All river take back its course. You hear me? I tell you. All river take back its course. And then you want Jamaica people to come end our Sadamism via our artists them because Shenseea have an with brightest, richest color them. And that's why we not bow to that. Not day, not time at all. We not bow to that. Real if I even 5 as original Jamaican, we not bow to that. Cause suck that. We no come subliminally lock off a place down here. All of we youth them are mice and are dead. I get licked down in a road. Nobody now call no protest for that. But as we walk with mouth and say something pertaining to a culture, we're not ready to come jump down with short. You see me? And I create new culture and I push it on we. Shenseea, go get in your feelings. You're not Jamaica. You cuss Jamaica pussy. Me sit down and watch your cuss Jamaica all recently. Me sit down and watch your cuss Jamaica and come put on Jamaica flag and come mama and love Jamaica. And all who are back you know. I know that the representative we want for Jamaica. I know who know we want for a rep for we culture and we flag. And me say that loud and no care. And every church I go burn down here because they don't turn from God. We don't want as church member them I go burn down on the church them. Because we don't turn from God and let in the devil down here upon we. Who know? And Rasta too. That's why I not too know one want to come call me no Rasta. He's a child of the Most High. Because Mitzi and Higher V them sell out of them let in chronics them. Me see them take time to surface back chronics. Chronics, you better come talk the truth of Jah. You think you come slide in back? You can't slide in back till you declare where you deal with boy. And you let in the whole of your lesbian them and the locks. Jesse Royal them father maroon them. And then live on the sellout side. And maroon. None of them now support Flagstaff. None of them now support 1st of March. It's the 1st of March. Jamaica people supporting a any maroon community. Find on the way down a Flagstaff 1st of March and celebrate. And that is the true celebration. That is celebrating the resistance. When you go January 6th, you celebrate the sellout treaty. Then sign. We have punk come and all of them sign. And that will not celebrate when you go January 6th. So all Maroons who truly love them culture, just know say when you go January 6th, and the system will not go support. I know we ancestors them. A business, you don't want to come turn Maroon business in a business. A Maroon, you know how much bloodshed, you know how much people dead, you know how much mother then cut out them belly, and one ass run go so, and one ass run go so, for this. I want to come and turn it in a marketplace. You know, move and come a court, that me say, you know, if you come a court. No more kingdom now set up around Jamaica people. A God kingdom we want to focus on. The only kingdom where we did bow to from morning. God kingdom. Who do you think gonna be? Every time a youth dead, me cry. Every time a youth dead, me belly hurt me. Because me know say, Chinese man, they tell me in the bank, say I'm glad for the plan where them come with to make Jamaica people kill off themselves and free up the place so they can have it. Me a Maroon. Me a 9 kepong Maroon. L.A. Lewis. You need to come. You need to bring in the things them where Rastology give you. Where you have a exploit Jamaica people with. Yeah, your white woman sit down in a office. True they know say them have some rights here too cause German did pull up here to door. We have slavery they come from German too, you know. Yeah man, we have slavery they come from France too. All about over the world slave they come from Jamaica. You never know. Yeah man. And some of them became friends with us. Some of them became friends with us because they were nice. So we became friends. But some of them did want we place from them time there and them still a try to take it from we and sit down and give them. Before we wake up and stop name them blood clot food. And start defend a culture. We real. We come from God. Jamaica culture come from God. That's why we could have gone to South Africa go free Mandela them. Because we were the free people. We were the free Africans who did left Africa way earlier than anybody else. And some of us come as Benjamites. Some of us come straight from God as Anunnakis too. I them think they L.A. Lewis them pinch up I tell you no. No take up no needs. Jamaican people. Make everybody else go take it. For you identifying in your heart and heart of hearts as Jamaican, don't take up no needs. And listen out. Me nah big up UIC neither because I don't know where UIC until the master of UIC come tell me where I deal with. Me nah big up UIC neither. We have some other groups here who have true intentions for Jamaican people, but they don't give them no voice. But through me so little, I over here so I talk by myself, them afraid to come which part me they call them swear say Jamaica people no love me, and so therefore them not go here, so them go with the wrong too. So me want turn up over here, so I say, me a talk on the whole of them. All of the leader them with the boy, and none of them no mission no good. If you no get up and go vote, when Andrew them decide, say place nice enough to call the election, a fool no business. A fool no business.
Wow, even LA. Lewis got called out. Damn, Mackerel never wasted time dissing Queen Ifrica back. In fact, this week's it's Mackerel versus Guyana versus Queen Ifrica versus D Official, and almost the whole of Jamaica. It's that serious because Jayden got dissed by D Official on a TikTok match, and Mackerel jump out the sea and come land in a D Official boat like a grenade.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
I beat out the club. The married take out one piece beating blood. As you are married, the boy have you just a hand and pull a dirty blood. As you married, the boy you kick up a dirty. So if me and Kizzy have a conflict, it has nothing to do with you. Because remember you choose abuse, you never choose happiness. Cause no boy cannot beat me. I sit down there with them. And I breathe up for them. Not even a ring. Ain't gonna put on my finger. Cause my mindset don't left him long time. And I just wait for opportunity to go. How dare you try to size up? How dare you? How dare you? You can't argue here on a Jayden. Then I have time for kiss up themselves. As the egg I got. Cause she cannot answer me. She cannot answer me, Jayden. Jayden, do you see how them did I behave with her yesterday? You see how them did I go on there yesterday? You see how she deal with Blue? They can't deal with me, so. Cause me and another man mascot. Me a boy pride and joy. Hey, give me chair. Go one side now. Cause you see me can't sit down and argue. What you say? You don't have time to kill up yourself? You cannot. Me a boy trophy. Me a boy pride and joy. Me bring joy and happiness in a boy life. Me not bring miserable and tormentation. Me not only care this. A boy love me naturally. Me not only care this. A boy love me naturally. What you mean? You can't love yourself for me. All you can do is post all videos. And all free to do so. Do you put on my pot? Do you put on my pot? Me not knock do when night come. So all the blood clot you come screen the car and post it back and come talk about how me is a fake bitch. I am entitled to voice my opinion. Did I call the name? Jayden. But he called the name. So all the blood clot you try size up. Oh, you try size up. Oh, you want to come pick argument with me. Go pick argument to the boy will beat you. Go pick argument to the boy with the cherish you. Me never see that girl from the day me know her. Me never see that girl man give her a birthday gift. Me never see girl a Mother's Day gift. And she always take them out. That she take the money and do. Me never see the boy just get some random colognes, some random nice gift. You know how much she them? Yeah, she never get them treatment. She gets beat in her face. Baby, not top. Boy, I gotta dig up all video. With the world done. Guys, I first want to see the video with the car. When me I run down the car, I first want to see it. I first want to see that video there. When me I run down the car. Yeah, come on, boy. I show the receipt that I mean she buy the car.
If you guys are confused about what she's talking about, D had sold Mackerel her vehicle. That's the car she's talking about, that same car her baby daddy had her chasing down the street like she was Usain Bolt.
If I take me, the take it. What if I trust me, the trust it. So where you really come by here? What's the point? Yeah, we don't get it. When you're not arguing, you just argue mad. Like you're dons. But remember, girl, you see when me argue, I get my point across. Me not argue.
Remember we have a match. Shannon, thank you.
When me argue,
Paula, thank you. Princess,
I get
Shop,
my point
thank you.
across.
Chat, remember we have a match. 12 o'clock with World Dog. Please run up,
right,
brother. We are trying to get some gloves.
We could come tell you anything, all they cut, they go. But we know for sure that you, me and my husband and me, police affair come get involved in our life. We not to the curse. Me and my husband. And my husband a big lad. And a police affair come rescue me. Cause the man don't know say if he cherish and love me. Him is a woman beater, him beat you. Right. Him beat you, you come on the internet, you defend him, boy. Good girl, get beat. I like you tell. Girl, get respect. Girl with good respect. Girl with respect. Yeah, if I fight me over my front, lie. Lie. Baby, big man. Baby. You just sound so ghetto. As a married woman, no look example. Any day boy put on my a chop boy I want to take my Then me could have a boy last name and Axo. Me could have a boy last name and Axo. You make me feel shame for the married girl them.
Yeah, you that. Did I that? How can I that? You want to that boy?
You make me feel shame for the girl them were married.
Speed chat. Speed chat.
She not
yo, boy, very gonna support me now.
She not
Chat it speed there.
Missy what there somebody go comment over there and say she wants to put some happy birthday on the cake. The way all the CD and behave. Girl, you're pitbull or you're human. You're pitbull or you're human.
Come na chat. Two more, one more. We have a match with World Dog in a chat. Let's see. So we are calling the gloves them from now chat. Is it me I say? Shannon, thank you. Very good respect. Thank you. Shannon, thank you.
Did the official just say? Me hear say the official just say me Nikisha that play with me because me chat Nikisha. The remember me in the whole conversation. Remember we just have your number, you just have my own. But remember say you chat Rochelle. That are the black Rochelle. You know big body Rochelle. Remember say you chat big cap from me and Nikisha play just me and Nikisha. Me no know you and you don't know me. Me no play with you, you don't play with me. Cause me choose not to play with you a long time and follow you. So what you say?
Sheila.
What you say? What you say now? Don't call the blood. I saw them stay. Through them not a file with fear. Through them not a secret fear. Them come and want to stir up everything. Cause they not a file fear. I saw she stay. So me hear that she say, but Nikisha stop play with me because me say Nikisha thief my gift. Do I own any gifter? Me own nobody? So them ready for tell lie. So that them doing now. Them stay one side and they chat you. They stay one side and the one of them group up and the one of them chat you with their so-called husband. So anything she not talk, anything the girl them mad. Yeah, Bill she want come Bill any before me. Me and the word blood. I don't send D no message. You know last time D sent a blood clot I was sitting there. Me didn't even remember when she